Having an issue. What's that? A weird. Anyways, having an issue here. My furnace kicks on, but it won't stay on. What that means is probably the ignition or the flame sensor is bad. So what we're going to do, flip off the power. Figure out how to open that. So here will be where the gas goes in to be ignited. Back by that right there will get hot and ignite the gas. But over here, this guy, that's our flame sensor. We're going to take that out, clean it. And actually, I can tell from right here it looks dirtier than snot. Let's clean that. Much cleaner. I hope it's not scratched up too much because I know that does matter. But let's put it back in and see if it will work. So I'm going to reconnect this guy. So now we're just going to put it back in place, put the screw back in, and flip the switch, see if it works. Got it back in. Let's flip this here switch and see if it works. Oh, it's already kicking on. There it goes. Hey. Hopefully, if it doesn't turn off, then I think we're sitting pretty good. I mean, I call this good. It usually turns off before that. So that there is how to clean your flame sensor. Congratulations. Bye.